NO-41 Ibps Clerk Prelims, isn't it? Then coming to question number 66 onwards. Now the 66 to 70 it comes under which category? Circular arrangement along with a parameter. And a circular arrangement along with the parameter, tell me whether it comes under the first or the second priority. Second priority, definitely under the second priority. No, though the persons are facing towards the center, then also you need to take this one as the second priority. Then after this one, question number 71 onwards. Now 71 onwards, first or the second priority, and definitely under the first priority. Must start down and the relation between A and B. And what is the relation between A and B here? A lesser than B. Now between B and A, B greater than A means A lesser than B, definitely true. Then X and D. The relation between D and X. And two opposite symbols, so no relation can be drawn. And so what is your answer? Only one, that is choice 3, question number 71. Then coming to this 72, now the relation between F and R. Now F is here, R is here. Which element is common? Z is common. F to Z and again from Z to R, and two opposite symbols hence which cannot be related. Then coming to the second one, V and W. Now V to W, V equals to Z. And in the place of Z we can take it as V. Hence V greater than W, definitely true. Only 2 is 2, that is choice 5, question number 70. Then 73, K and W. Now K and W, K is here, W is here. Now between these two, which element is common? S lesser than K. And next one, and W and S. W greater than S means W greater than S. Now between K and W, two opposite symbols, no relation can be drawn. And next one, and E and R. E to R, E greater than or equals to S, lesser than or equals to R. And again two opposite symbols, no relation. And so what is your answer? Neither one nor two, choice for question number 73. Then next one, 74. Now the word prudential. P-R-U-D-E-N-C-I-A-L. Now in this prudential, all the vowels are changed to the next letter. Vowels are changed to the next letter, U will become V, E will be F, and I, J, and A, B. And while the consonants are changed to the previous. Now P will become O, R minus 1 is Q, D minus 1 is C, M, this is L, and this is K. And from left. And thus all the letters are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. Which of the following is letter? Which are the following that is fourth from the right hand side? Now fourth from the right hand side, tell me which is the first from the right hand side? V. And what is the previous letter to V? That is Q, isn't it? Now S, and previous to S is what? Q. And previous to Q, then what is the element we have? K. And K or M? M is on. M that is given in M on the O put on together O. Hence O must be your answer, that is choice 3. Then 75. Now in this question number 75, and there are some 8 persons. A, B, C, D, F, G, and H, hold different positions, clerk, assistant, manager, and so on. Now these 8 persons and different designations. As 8 persons, they belong to different designations here. Then first or the second priority? Definitely under the first priority, isn't it? Now, the advantage between which this one is what? The order is clearly specified. And what is the order we have? And the order is CEO, and CEO is the highest position. Next one is ED. Next one CGM, and next to CGM General Manager, and next to General Manager DGM, and next one Manager, Assistant Manager, Manager, and Assistant Manager, and a clerk. And now how many persons are there? 8 persons together. Now these 8 persons, now we need to find out now who holds which post. Then condition number 1. The positions are given in increasing order of seniority. Now from here the statements were started. And first one, clerk is the junior most and CEO is the senior most. Then coming to this one, B is senior to CGM. As B is senior to CGM, how many possibilities we have? B can be ED or B can be CEO. Hence there are 2 different possibilities. And F is junior to whom? F is junior to Z. F is junior to Z. As many persons junior to H is senior to D. H and D we need to have equal number of persons. And H is not the least junior. Hence H cannot be the clerk at all. And next one, and A is senior to C and junior to F. Now this A is senior to C and junior to F. Hence G, F, A and C must be in this order. Clear? G, F, A and C. And next one, G, F, A and C. A is senior and 3 designations lie between B and E. Now in between B and E, how many designations are there? Exactly 3. Now here also 3 designations between B and E. E is here. And E is senior to H. Now this E is senior to whom? E is senior to H. As E is senior to H and H is junior to E. And H is junior to whom? H is junior to E. Now E is senior to H. Now what are the different possibilities you have? And can you have H at this place? H ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చా? And then if H is here, number of persons between H and D. Now how many persons are senior junior to this one and junior to H? There is one. Hence there must be one person senior to D. Is it possible? No, hence H cannot be. Then can we have H at this place? H is here, D will be here. That is another. Now in this, then no, why it is no? Now H is not the low, isn't it? Hence this case is completely wrong. Then coming back to the next. Now in this one, where can be this one? H can be here, there is one possibility. And in the next case, B is here and E is here. H will be here, this is the second possibility. Now in the first one, H is third from the bottom, hence D must be third from the top. And here H is second from the bottom and D must be second from the top. Must and B and A. Then H and D we have done with this information and E is above this H. Then the remaining person G, F, A and C must be in this order. Isn't it? G, F, A and C. Now here G, F, A and C. Now this. Now here again G, F, A and C. Clear? And next one, 3 designations between B and E. E is senior to H. H is junior to A. Now H is junior to A. In this case, if you observe here, H is junior to A or senior to A? Senior to A. Hence this case is ruled out. Now H is junior to A. This is the case. H is valid. Then according to this one, and 5 questions given under this one, 75 to 79. Okay, write down this one. Then 80 onwards. 80 onwards, it comes under which category? Blood relation. Now blood relations, how many questions are there based on this one? There are some 3 questions. And blood relations, third, first or the second priority? Definitely under the first priority, isn't it? And though it is coded blood relation, it must be under first priority. And if at all, if you are taking extra time, more time to solve these type of questions, then you need to practice a lot these type of questions and bring them on to the first priority. ఇప్పటికీ ఈ కోడెడ్ బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్ టైం తీసుకుంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి దాన్ని డెఫినెట్గా ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ తెచ్చుకోండి. క్లియర్? యూ కెనాట్ లీవ్ దిస్ వన్ ఫర్ ద సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. అండ్ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ వన్. Now in this one, first we need to check out whether the elements are same order or not. P2Q, P2Q or not. Isn't it? Then A percentage. Percentage stands for A is the mother of G. Now this A is the mother of G and G dollar. G dollar means G is the spouse of K. G and K are married to each other. And K power. And K is the brother of E. Now this K is the brother of E. Then G must be a female. And E star C. And E star C is the son of C. Now E is the son of C, hence E is the son of these two persons. Then how is G related to C? Now C is son's wife. Son's wife is daughter-in-law, that is choice 3, question number 8. Then 81. Now in this question number 81, what should come in place of the question mark? If R is a sister-in-law, isn't it? Now finally we need to have R must be the sister-in-law of P. Then R is a sister-in-law of P, S star. Star stands for S is the son of P. Isn't it? Then next one, T percentage. T is the mother of R. As of now, T is the mother of S, T is the mother of R, S and R are siblings to each other. And V power P. V power P means V is the brother of P. As V is the brother of P, then tell me, now we need to have R is the sister-in-law of C. As R is the sister-in-law of C, R is the sister-in-law of whom? P. As R is the sister-in-law of P, and then R is a sister-in-law. That means this R and V must be married to each other. Isn't it? If R and V are married to each other, then only P is his brothers, wife will be the sister-in-law. And Now we need to take this symbol. R is married, R is the wife of. Now if R is the wife of V here and V is the brother of P, now how is this R related to P now? P is brother's wife. Brother's wife is sister-in-law. And so what is your answer in this case? మరి చెప్పండి ఏమొస్తుంది ఆన్సర్ మనకి? Now you need to have this R is the wife and R is the spouse and spouse means dollar. Dollar, that is choice for question number 81. Clear? Then coming back to this one, 82. Now in this 82, how is J related to V? Now J related to V, H, and H is the brother of V, and H is the brother of whom? And H is the brother of V, and V dollar, and V is the spouse of S. Now V is the spouse of S means V and S are married couple, and S percentage, and S is the mother of J, and S is the mother of J, hence V is the father of J, isn't it? Then how is it J related to V? Now J related to V, J dollar, and J dollar means J is the spouse of A. Now J and A are spouses to each other, and A star, that is A is the son of R, and now A is the son of R means J is the daughter, isn't it? Then how is this J related to this one V? And V is daughter. Daughter, that is choice for question number 82. Done with this? The next one 83. Now it is based on row arrangement. Now in a class of how many? 45. Vinod's rank is 16th from the top. Where is this Vinod? 16th from the top, there are 15 persons before this Vinod. And Raju is 6 ranks below Vinod. Now this is Raju who is 6 ranks below Vinod, there are 5 persons in between. Total 45. 15 plus 1, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 1, 22. And out of these 45, 22 persons already completed. The remaining 23 will be here. Then what is Raju's rank from the bottom? 23 plus 1, what is the position here? 24, that is choice 3, question number 80. The next one coming to 84. 84 to 88, this comes under which category? Now parallel rows. Now this parallel rows, how many persons are there? There are some 12 persons seated in 2 parallel rows. 12 persons were there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 12 persons were there, 6 and 6. Then in row 1, A, B, C, D, and F, and all of them are facing on. Now this is row 1, A, B, C, D, and F. Now this is row 2. Now P, Q, R, S, T, and U, and they are in row 2. And all of them are facing south. B is sought from one of the extrements of the row. As B is sought from extrements of the row, B can be sought from the left extreme, or B can be sought from the right extreme. And so many possibilities we have for this one. And there are 2 different possibilities, isn't it? Now B is here. As B is at this place, and only 3 persons between P and Q. In between P and Q, how many are there? Exactly 3. And next one, S faces P. Now S and E are opposite to each other. And the one who faces B sits second to the left of P. And the one who is facing B, that person is seated second to the left of P is here. The one who is facing B and sits second to the left of whom, P must be this. Now P is here, there are 3 persons in between P and Q, Q is here. And here again 3 persons between P and Q, Q is here. Now we have done with this information. And next one. And more than 2 persons between C and E. Now in between C and E, how many people are there? More than 2 people. More than 2 people means maybe 3, 4, 5 and so on. And next one, more than 2 people between C and E. One of the immediate neighbors of C faces Q. One of the immediate neighbors of C faces Q. And C can be either here or here. There are 2 different possibilities. Now if C is here, in between C and E, more than 2 people is not possible. Are you getting this one or not? And C cannot get this place. Then where should you see? C must be at the extreme end. Now follow another. C is. Now C is here. Then where can this E be? E can be either here or here. There are 2 different possibilities, isn't it? But whereas E and S are opposite to each other. As E and S are opposite to each other, E cannot be here, isn't it? Hence, where should this E? E must be to the immediate left hand side of B. S and E are opposite to each other. And again coming back to the next one. Then the immediate neighbor of whom? Q. And one of the immediate neighbors of C faces Q. And C must be at this place. If C is here, then E must be at this place. If E is here, E and S must be opposite to each other. Then, and we have done with this information and this information as well. And next one, R sits to the immediate right of you. R and Q must be adjacent to each other. R is to the immediate right of you. And here, there are two different possibilities for this R and U. R is the immediate right of U, and one person sits between S and T. Now in between S and T there must be exactly one person. Here one person between S and T is not possible. This case is completely ruled out. Are you getting this one or not? Now in this case S and T, then R and U must be done. Now if R and U are here and one person S and A faces one of the immediate neighbors of B. A is facing one of the immediate neighbors of the A is here. Then D sits at one of the positions to the right of D is the left finger. Done with this find arrangement? Now this is about question numbers 84 to 88. Then